Which Greek philosopher taught Alexander the Great? Aristotle. What European country has the highest population? Germany. The European Parliament meets in which French city? Strasbourg. Which famous scientist was born in Germany and later moved to the USA? Albert Einstein. What is the capital of Poland? Warsaw. What ancient structure in England is believed to be a prehistoric monument? Stonehenge. Which sea lies between the UK and Norway? North Sea. What is the name of the currency used in Sweden? Krona. What is the national animal of Scotland? Unicorn. What country is known for flamenco dancing? Spain.